Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
UK retail sales dropped in March as the rising cost of living hit consumer spending. According to official data, fuel sales also dropped as people cut travel amid record petrol and diesel prices. A senior Japanese finance ministry official denied a media report that Japan and the United States discussed coordinated currency intervention to stem further yen falls at a bilateral finance leaders meeting. More than 100 people were killed in an explosion at an illegal oil refining depot on the border of Nigeria's Rivers and Imo states, a local government official and an environmental group said. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.6% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.0% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. And Germany's IFO Business Climate at 0800 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment will be released at 0800 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate 23:30 GMT, and the US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.